What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on SDC ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and with the news that may affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the probable forecast for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. First of all, as you can see, we are on daily time frame, and let's take a look on a bigger picture. And as you can see, from this very bottom at the beginning of April till this top, it surged up for more than 327%. And this top was February the 1st, and since then we are in downtrend. And the stock lost about 70% of its value. So we are still in downtrend. Technically, we didn't have any higher highs and higher lows, so we still have lower lows and lower highs. And if I connect it like this, we can see clear channel and we are moving south. So eventually we have to break this channel in order to achieve new targets. But so far, I don't think that this is the very point of our breakdown. And I will show you in my technical analysis what to expect next from this stock. But for now, let's continue with some fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. SmileDirectClub operates as an oral care company. It offers clear aligner therapy treatment. The company manages the end-to-end process, which includes marketing, aligner manufacturing, fulfillment, treatment by a doctor, and monitoring through completion of their treatment with a network of approximately 250 state-licensed orthodontists and general dentists through its teledensity platform. So, quite interesting company. I don't know nothing about its activity. Right here you can find their website, and it's quite informative, I have to say, and they have a lot of testimonials down below. And basically you can do your own research about this company, but let's continue with some numbers. So this company has a total market cap for now at the level of $2.2 billion. It's not the smallest company, I have to say. They have a revenue of $726.7 million with a negative net income of $68.11 million. They have rather small revenue growth of 6.77, but it is a positive number and it's a quite good sign, I have to say. They have a rather strong cash position of $376.65 million, but their total debt is more than $777 million. So it's not the best ratio, I have to say, but still, I don't think that these numbers are quite important for now, because the main catalyst for now for this ticker is the retail investors. And let me show you this article. It was published on Investor Place 9 hours ago, and it's titled Short Squeeze Watch: What to Know as Investors Push SmileDirectClub Stock Higher. And let me quote you several paragraphs. SmileDirectClub stock is on the move today as retail traders target the shares for short squeeze play. The stock is taking off today with shares pushing higher despite a lack of news. Of course, this comes with heavy trading as some 66 million shares change hands. For comparison, the stock's daily average trading volume is about 8.7 million shares. Investors that are considering jumping into the SDC stock rally today will want to be careful. While gains are happening now, we don't know how long that will last. It could go on through today with higher prices. However, we could also see it crash later in the day. And I completely agree with the author, because when retail investors start to push certain stock, nobody knows when it will end. And let me show you the short interest of this company. We are on finviz.com, and for now, according to this data, it has 32.89% of short float. And right here on their institutional owners, we can see that the majority of latest positions made with the price that is higher than $8. And the average price of the latest filings is $8.5. So the majority of institutional owners bought their shares at these levels, somewhere in between $9 and $8.5. And for now, we are much lower than these levels, and it might be a positive sign. But don't be in a hurry. let me show you one more interesting point. We are on kivircon.com, and this website tracks the activity around Wall Street Bets community. And as you can see, the most mentioned ticker for now is SDC, and it has the highest volume. In total numbers, it has more than 1000 mentions during last 24 hours. And it has right here, it has 77 comments for call options and 27 comments for put options. And let me show you Ape Wisdom. Right here, according to this data, it has the total sentiment of 74%, more favorable for the short squeeze. But if you will take a look at Memberg terminal, right here you also can see the SDC ticker on the first place with more than 1200 mentions. But if you click here on the specific mentions link, you can find that the majority of these mentions is not so positive for this ticker. And that is why you have to be cautious, and that is why at the end of Sunday, you have to take a look on this website and just make your own due diligence. What is the sentiment around this ticker? So, and let me show you TipRanks analysis. We have three forecasts. The lowest one is $4, average price is 7.44, and the high estimation is $11. So we still have a rather good possibility to hit higher targets, but we have to be cautious. And my main concern is right here. A lot of YouTubers try to push this stock with this news that Amazon is in talks to acquire SmileDirectClub. And this news you can find only on this Reddit thread related to SDC ticker. Because if you type in the exact title of this article, Amazon is in talks to acquire SmileDirectClub, you cannot find any mentions on any other news sections, and the only one is right here. And with this picture you cannot even understand where it was published and when it was published. And that is why I don't think that this picture is legit and this new news is legit. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's take a look on indicators. According to RSI, we are pretty much bullish. We have higher highs and higher lows, and we have a lot of room to go even higher, and this is definitely a good sign. We also have a very good sign with the volume. Right here, we have more interest from investors, from retail investors, and potentially from some institutional investors as well. But the latest candle right here, it is a shooting star, and this candle with this huge volume is quite bearish, because with this movement to the upside, asset cannot stay above certain levels in order to make a huge green candle. And on top of that, right here, as you can see, we hit resistance at the level of around $7.46, and I will show you in details on an hourly time frame what to expect next. So, as you can see, we have several waves, and it's quite difficult to make the Elliott wave breakdown for these waves, and that is why you can rely only on supports and resistances. So, first support, in my opinion, might be right here, as you can see, at the level of around $6. We have this touch right here, we broke it, but then we had a good reaction right here. Next one, touch right here, right here, right here, it was a resistance, and for now it might act as a support. And potentially next one might be at these levels, around $5.5. And let me show it to you. We have this touch right here. Potentially we have the range of resistances from this level from 5.6 to 5.5. And this might be next potential support for the price to have a trend reversal. And guys, if you don't know how to make a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, just pull Fibonacci retracement tool from swing low to swing high, and you will see some interesting data. Yes, as you can see, we have a strong confluence level with 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the same level as I marked just a couple of seconds ago. And the second level is, as I already mentioned, from the 5.53, and right here at the 5.6 level we have a golden pocket, and this level also might act as a support. So Right here, as you can see, we have something in the shape of triangle, and this shape usually occurs on the fourth wave. This means we might have at least one more leg to the upside, but still be extremely cautious. And what should you do if you want to catch this trade? Just take a look on Member Terminal, and you have to realize what is the sentiment around this ticker, and then on Monday just accumulate your position on by laddering your buys down, and these might be your key points: $6.02 and $5.6. These might be your two main accumulation points. And from this point we might go higher. But if you're risky enough, you just can add your position at this very point, because we have the shape of triangle, and from this level we might go higher. But I don't think so, to be honest. And if it is the real case, we might hit again this level, this sloping line, at the level of $7.71. So, in my opinion, it is very risky trade, but it is still possible to catch it. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye!